Hey Maryland, do you know what's lurking in your home's air? Let's talk about the hidden costs of poor indoor air quality. First up, your health. Mold, asbestos, radon, and other nasty contaminants can lead to serious health issues. Think respiratory problems, allergies, even cancer. And guess what? More health problems, more medical bills. But that's not all. Poor IAQ can damage your home too. Mold infestations and asbestos require expensive remediation, and they can lower your property value. Early detection is key, and that's where MD Mold Testing comes in. Located in Rockville, Maryland, MD Mold Testing offers comprehensive indoor air quality testing. From mold to radon, they check it all. Their team has over 25 years of experience, and they're available 7 days a week. Plus, mention this video and get $25 off any environmental test. So don't wait. Visit www.mdmoldtesting.com or call 301-717-MORTORN54 today. And remember, like and subscribe for more home health tips. Breathe easy, Maryland.